Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling dev error 12502 in Modern Warfare 3 on Xbox. If you're running into this error and need a fix, you're in the right place. So the first thing that we can try is to restart the game. Close Modern Warfare 3 by pressing the Xbox button, scrolling to the game tile, pressing the options button, and selecting quit. You can try to reopen the game to see if the error persists. If it does, you can try to restart your Xbox console. And after restarting, you can try to go check for system updates or game updates. For the game updates, you can go to My Games and Apps, See All, then Games. Tap on Modern Warfare 3, then press the menu button and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Check for updates and install if there are any available. For the system updates, you can go to your Xbox console to check if there are any updates available in the settings and system, and you can just simply download and install if it does. And next that you can do is to clear local saved games. Simply go to Settings, then System, Storage, and Clear Local Saved Games. This will remove locally stored game data, but won't affect your saved games in the cloud. Another thing you can do is to reinstall the game. Simply go to My Games and Apps, See All, and then Games. Highlight Modern Warfare 3 and press Menu button and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, you can just reinstall the game from your disk or download it again from the Xbox store. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Activision support or Xbox support for further assistance. Thank you.